The Rubik's Cube. Not just a toy, but a talent, a hobby. But yet only 4% of people with the Rubik's Cube can actually solve it. As of right now, the fastest Rubik's Cube solved in a competition is 4.59 seconds. What if I told you that I'm in that 4% of people? What if I also told you that you could do it too? Let me break it to you, you don't have to be good at math to solve one. If 4% can do it, so can you. A lot of people ask, how do you solve a Rubik's Cube? Correct answer is to watch a YouTube video and to never give up. Remember, practice doesn't make perfect, but perfect practice makes perfect. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and become a cuber.